So we're standing right behind our access panel. So we are going to upgrade as long as no Garmin employees are looking. I've got a screwdriver. We're going to take this out right now and just shove it in our shirt. And we will upgrade our panel to access that way, right?
Is it that easy? I mean, they are kind of busy.
Yeah, they're busy, and I think we can run fast enough. Or give it to Millie. No one's going to tackle Millie walking out with the access. So, are we upgrading the access right away?
Absolutely not.
No. It is a beautiful piece of equipment. It is the hot topic here at Oshkosh this year. A lot of people are upgrading, and if you haven't purchased, absolutely, access is amazing. I know a lot of people who probably have a little bit more money than we do are already selling their G3Xs and going to access at different stages of the build, which has really devalued the G3Xs.
Which has made a lot of people pretty upset.
Yeah, it's kind of, but you have to pay the price for innovation. Things have to get better, and these things do happen from time to time. So, but no, we're going to keep our G3Xs. We're going to fly our G3X. We're going to love our G3X.
I mean, our panel looks amazing.
It looks amazing. I'm going to try not to research access too much because then I will get sad. But the G3X does everything we need it to do, does almost everything the access does. But the real advantage is if we hadn't started the panel at all, I would do the access that eliminates a lot of the remote boxes. So you don't need the GTN 650 or 750. You don't need the remote radios. You don't need the remote transponder. All that can be built into the panel, and it's not that thick. So it saves weight, saves wires, it saves a whole lot of goodness. So I'm excited access is out. Our timing was just a little off, but that's okay. When we do upgrade, we would keep the GTN 650 because we're not going to recut the panel. So honestly, it doesn't eliminate all of our remote boxes and all of our wiring, but yeah, it's a thing.
It looks good.
All right, start unscrewing this, and let's, I think the coast is clear.
Hand me the screwdriver.
There we go. Let's get to it. All right. Thank you for watching 14 Victor Echo.
See you next time.